Alright, today's recipe in the cooking lab is some beef steak, as you can see. Onions are already in, tomatoes are in, garlic is in, scallion is in. So now I'm just going to add the bell peppers in it. Pick it up from here. Just making a very short project in the cooking lab here today. So this is my beef steak. Alright, so pretty much the steak is cooked. So I'm going to call this a stir-fry steak. Yes, a stir-fry steak. Just going to add a little bit of liquid in it, just for gravy. But apart from that, yes, this is a stir-fry steak recipe here today in the Winston Jail Cooking and Discovery TV Cooking Lab on the YouTube platform. Yes, it is looking delightfully delicious. The chef did a wonderful job. I have an assistant chef. Alright, so I'm just going to put a little bit of liquid in that, and then it will be ready very shortly. So you're watching the Winston Jail Cooking Discovery TV. So this is stir-fry steak. Yes, stir-fry steak with bell peppers, onions, tomatoes, garlic, and scallion. Yes. Alright, I'm going to add some carrots in it. Yes, some carrots. And this is turnip. Turnips. So you're seeing this in Winston Jail Cooking and Discovery TV channel. I'm just going to add some thyme and pepper. Just put it on hold like that. And I'm going to cut this with the Scotch bonnet pepper. Alright, so I'm going to add some Scotch bonnet. This pepper is very hot. Very hot. Very hot. Alright, so that should do it. Alright, I'm going to add some chicken gravy. Yes, it's not chicken, it's steak, but I'm going to add some chicken gravy and put a little bit of water with it to make it lighter because it's kind of thick. So that is chicken gravy. A little bit of ketchup. Just came to me. I'm going to add a little bit of ketchup. Ketchup, not catch. Ketchup. Ketchup, ketchup, ketchup. Ketchup the pot. Ketchup the colors. And ketchup the taste in the pot. Yes, that is the ketchup. Ketchup, not ketchup. 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 And you're watching this ketchup on the Winston Jail Cooking and Discovery TV channel on the YouTube platform. Yes, so this is my version of stir-fry steak with chicken gravy. Yes. Alright, so this is my version in the Winston Jail Cooking and Discovery TV on the YouTube platform. This is my version of stir-fried steak. Yes, there's carrots, there's turnips, and there's lots of bell peppers in here. There's onion, scallion, thyme, garlic, black pepper, onion powder, garlic powder. Yes, and some chicken gravy sauce along with ketchup, not ketchup, ketchup. Alright, so she's just about ready. So in 10 minutes, the fire will be turned off and she's ready to be consumed, to devoured, to enter the belly, the mouth, to the belly. Yes, so that's my beef stir-fried. Alright, with gravy. Beef stir-fried with gravy. Alright. Stir fry is ready. Turn off the stove, and that's a wrap. You're watching this on the Winston Jail Cooking and Discovery TV. This is beef stir fried, cooked with turnips, carrots, bell peppers, onions, scallion, thyme, fresh garlic, garlic powder, onion powder, and Scotch bonnet pepper, and of course black pepper. So you're seeing this on the Winston Jail Cooking and Discovery TV review. Alright, I'm going to share out my portion. Carrots and some turnips and bell pepper. Alright, my friends, this is my dinner for today. Stir-fry steaks with white rice and romaine lettuce with tomatoes and cucumbers. Top it off with some bacon bits, pieces, and some Caesar salad dressing. This is my dinner. And a nice glass of grape cranberry juice. Grape cranberry juice. Salad. rice, grape cranberry juice, and my stir-fry steak with carrots, turnips, bell peppers, onions, scallion, thyme, fresh garlic, garlic powder, onion powder, black pepper, and scotch bonnet pepper, and chicken gravy. Yes, chicken gravy. Give it a very nice body and enhance the flavor of the sauce. So that is my bacon bits. The bacon bits on the salad gives it a very wonderful taste. It's very crunchy and very delicious. And you top it off with a Caesar salad dressing. Caesar salad dressing. That's what will be going on this nice, delicious bowl of salad right here. And this white rice will be served with my stir-fry steak. Yes, stir-fry steak. This is the recipe dish for today. It is looking very tasty and very delicious, and I know that I'm going to enjoy it. You're watching this on the Winston Jail Cooking and Discovery TV channel on the YouTube platform. Okay, stir-fry steak. That's the recipe. That's the dish for dinner today. With white rice, cucumber, tomatoes, and romaine lettuce. Dress it up with some bacon bits and Caesar salad, and wash it all down with some cranberry grape juice. So this is the Winston Jail Cooking and Discovery TV channel on the YouTube platform. Thanks for viewing. Thanks for supporting. I hope you like this dish, and I will see you on another incredible journey on this channel. Please like and share. Please subscribe, and please thumbs up, and please leave your comments down below. Tell me if you like it, what you have seen here, what have been created. Thanks for viewing. See you in another cooking video update. Have a great day. This is the Winston Jail Cooking and Discovery TV